Hello, Professor. Our company name is Dolce Vita, and these are our team members: Antonija, Kapusin, Domagoj Skok, Dorijan Crnkovic, and Koca Sekulic. And today we will do job analysis overview.
Hello and welcome. Today the focus of training will be an overview of the job analysis. The purpose of this training intends to ensure the newly hired employees better understanding of the job functions and the skills entailed with the everyday operation at Dolce Vita. Please take the time to look over the job analysis and feel free to ask any questions.
So due to the fact that I was provided with the necessary information before the session with my supervisor, I was able to conduct some questions that I'm going to ask the manager and hopefully get the appropriate answer away. So basically, the first question is regarding the job functions. Is it standardized? Basically, do we each time need to perform the same thing, or will be over the time some new improvements or something will be added in the recipe, etc.?
Recipes are all standardized because we want to be consistent, and that's our mission and vision, Dolce Vita. Equipment and procedures are subject to change according to new regulations or the implementation of new equipment. And of course, instructional booklets will be kept updated and reviewed semi-annually in order to keep up with these changes and to ensure that the employee is getting all the necessary information.
So we will have some like short briefings or something regarding the
seminars, yes.
And they will happen on the monthly basis, yearly?
Semi-annual, twice a year.
Okay. The next question is regarding also the job function, more precisely the safety and security codes held by Dolce Vita. Basically, I just had a quick look at these codes, but I was wondering, do we need to know them basically, or will we have some handbooks on site where we can watch if we are not sure in some details? Or?
All equipment and all materials, such as cleaning supplies, will all be correctly labeled with safety procedures in order for proper handling and usage. Booklets will also be used. So you'll have all the necessary information.
The third question is regarding the requirements. So basically, as I read from your job analysis, that there will be some training and additional education every now and then. But can you tell me something more about the education and perhaps which licenses or certifications we will get through it? Like the food handling card, as I remember.
The food handling card is something given by the Croatian government, and basically it's something that you should have prior to being employed here at Dolce Vita. It's basically a card that says that you have had enough the education and experience and training to handle food safety standards and regardless, usually working with the Croatian food health code.
So basically, besides that, we will get some training in something new is introduced into the.
Yes.
Will this be individual group or regarding of this situation?
Training will all be done in a group basis, but evaluations of your training will be done individually. You'll be evaluated by the manager, and then you'll be self-evaluating.
When you say evaluated by the manager, will this influence high performance, for example? Will you get some benefits for me and low performance some disadvantages, or how will it work?
Well, there's usually a big connection with performance, high performance, and pay. So
we'll get a reward every time we perform higher than.
Yes.
The last question is regarding the operation machinery and equipment. Basically, that's the main focus on our training, if I got this right. So as I can see from the list that there are several pieces of equipment that are not quite simple to use. So basically, will we train for all the equipment at once, or will we train each machine at a time, or how does it work?
The equipment will be taught to you on a separate basis. because the machinery that we have is not really complex, it's simple, but we'd like to ensure that the employee is grasping the information, so we think it's better that that the equipment is trained separately
And
rather than in groups.
will this education be done in the groups, or will it be individual training for each employee?
No, the training will be done, as I mentioned earlier, will be done in groups. But directly after your training, you will be evaluated by the manager to see how well you have grasped the information, and then you will evaluate yourself based on how you feel you have
Regarding
done.
the repairing of the equipment, so basically, we will be responsible for maintaining its software, but for the repairing of the equipment, will we do that, or will the supplier do that, or how will it work?
Simple repairs, you'll be trained how to perform simple repairs, and the instructions are in the manuals for each equipment. Complex repairs, you as an employee are responsible for contacting the supplier.
And
All contact information is also within the booklet.
And this booklet we will have on site, so basically we can use it daily, or?
Yes, you can use it every day. It's going to be on the premises all the time, so.
Well, that's basically all my questions, so if you have anything.
I think that's it for today.
The information I need to know.
Thank you for your attention, and I'll keep you informed regarding any potential changes regarding the curriculum.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.